In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix page speed insights in Wix. If you've been struggling with loading speeds on your Wix website, then you've come to the right place. Slow page speeds can not only frustrate visitors, but also impact your website's SEO ranking. Thankfully, there are some simple steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve these issues. We're going to start by tackling the most basic steps, but ones that can often resolve a multitude of technical hiccups: clearing your browser data. First things first, you'll want to open your browser settings. Now, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, this is usually found by clicking on the three-dot or three-line menu in the top right corner of your browser window. From there, look for Settings or Options. The wording might slightly differ depending on your browser. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to find the section that deals with privacy and security. Browsers like Chrome have this labeled quite clearly, making it easy for you to spot. Once you've accessed the privacy and security settings, you should be looking for an option that lets you clear your browsing data, cache, and cookies. This step is crucial because your browser stores parts of web pages to load them faster next time you visit. However, sometimes these stored files can create conflicts or slow down your experience if they're not up to date. It's a good habit to regularly clear these cached items, especially if you're experiencing issues like slow page speeds. When you find the appropriate option, ensure that you select browsing data, cache, and cookies. It's important to note that while clearing cookies will log you out of some sites and possibly erase settings, it's a necessary step if you want to see accurate results on your Wix site speed improvements. Now go ahead and clear the data. Once that's done, try accessing your Wix site again. Observe if the page speed insights are now showing any improvement. It's amazing how often this can solve the problem. By removing outdated data, the browser is forced to fetch the most current versions of the pages and files it loads, potentially eliminating unnecessary delays. If by any chance clearing the browser data doesn't fully resolve the speed issues, you might need to explore other areas such as optimizing images or reducing the number of apps used on your site. Remember, ongoing maintenance is key to ensuring your site remains fast and efficient for all visitors. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to potentially fix page speed insights issues in Wix. By maintaining your browser's cache and checking for necessary updates on the site, you can have users navigating smoothly and keep them engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your website.